Hi guys, in this video we're going to see XLOOKUP and using AND filter. So let's assume you have names and then cities. So you want to search both at the same time. So you can use AND and search for the value. Let's look at the example here. XLOOKUP. Usually we select only one search key, but this time we're going to select two search keys. One is this, and we include this with and then add the another search key, comma. We're going to add the ranges. Where do you want to search is this, and the city, so that it matches with the search key range. Now comma, after closing the parenthesis, we will add the sales result range. But as I told you earlier in the previous videos, for multi-conditions we need to add array formula, right? So we're going to add array formula, and now I'm going to hit enter. So it will give me the results for Ramesh, whose city is Delhi, and it will go and fetch the data from this table. So Ramesh name is here. So there are 3 times Ramesh is repeated, right? 1, 2, 3. But first result is matching Ramesh, Delhi, and what is the value? 5,000, right? So similarly, you can use for other scenarios as well, and make sure if you're using for all the scenarios, then lock the range, and then you can use the formula. So basically you will lock like this by using a dollar symbol for all the values, right? So then I have locked the ranges. Now if I drag the formula, so it will give me the details for rest of them. So it was for Ramesh and Delhi. Now I'm looking for Suresh, who is in Mumbai, right? Suresh, Mumbai would be 7,000, right? 7,000. Now next is Ramesh, Chennai. So Ramesh, Chennai is here, so 6,500. So this is how you can use AND filter to quickly get the data. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.